Together, let's take a voyage through space and time, navigating the way with creativity, aspiration, and a never-ending quest for a sustainable future. Within the worlds of technology and finance, there is a cosmic mystery that needs to be answered. Will Tesla, the electric behemoth, join the exclusive $1 trillion club by 2024? But is this lofty goal really attainable? What cosmic factors are at work in the field of electric vehicles that might help Tesla reach the trillion-dollar milestone? Fasten your seatbelts as we explore the stratosphere of possibilities and analyze the elements that may cause Tesla to become a trillion-dollar business by 2024. Please click the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News before we continue. Let us now begin this video. A select few corporate titans have reached to the startling heights of market valuations in the current digital era, setting themselves apart from the rest. Out of all the names, 5 have achieved the coveted milestone of having a $1 trillion market value. However, who are these giants and how enormous have they grown to be? Apple is first in line. Apple is not only leading the way with its stylish looks and cutting-edge technology, but it is also about to accomplish an even more incredible feat. With an estimated current worth of an astounding $2.78 trillion, Apple is about to cross the $3 trillion threshold, creating a record that few could have predicted. Microsoft is not far behind. Microsoft has been a household name in software for decades, and its market value has grown to a healthy $2.44 trillion. Their ongoing innovation and reshaping of the tech landscape has a profound impact on both corporate sectors and our everyday lives. Next up is NVIDIA, a titan in the fields of AI and graphics. Its recent expansion has been nothing short of extraordinary. NVIDIA is a proud company today, having crossed the $1 trillion mark. Who among us doesn't use Google every day? Google's parent corporation, Alphabet, has assiduously integrated itself into our online lives. Alphabet's dynamic approach has secured it a place in the trillion-dollar club, with its endeavors spanning from search engines to self-driving automobiles. And finally, the titan of online shopping, Amazon. Amazon has grown from a little online bookshop to the massive enterprise it is today, influencing almost every aspect of our lives. Their impressive journey is evident in their market capitalization, which is proudly above $1 trillion. With their creativity and perseverance, each of these businesses has changed the way technology is used and transformed entire sectors. We have watched, studied, and marveled at their rapid ascent to prominence. However, much as we applaud their accomplishments, we can't help but wonder, who will be the next to join this esteemed group? There are rumors that Tesla is aiming for the top spot. From Apple to Amazon, these businesses have carved themselves positions so substantial that nobody can match them. They are not simply behemoths, but the emperors of their domains. They are erect in the corridors of market supremacy because they have earned their crowns. But there's always a challenger behind every defending champion, someone who is determined, ambitious, and rapidly rising to the top. When we go behind these frontrunners, we see Tesla, a strong competitor awaiting its big break. With a market valuation of $842 billion, Tesla is already hovering dangerously close to its 2022 peak of $1 trillion. With global statistics suggesting that the use of electric vehicles is growing, Tesla is vying for the top spot and getting ready to join the trillion-dollar elite. Even while well-established industry titans are still making their impact, it's difficult to overlook Tesla's groundbreaking strategy, unwavering innovation, and sustainable future vision. Their quest is about rethinking energy and mobility for the contemporary day, not just about cars. Tesla's story is one of tenacity, ambition, and a forward-thinking outlook, as evidenced by its revenues, which have grown exponentially year after year despite obstacles from the competitors. Tesla's ambition to enter, or rather, re-enter, the trillion-dollar club is more than just a matter of valuation. It's about creating a new standard in the history of automobiles and the dynamic realm of digital titans. This is especially true when market dynamics change and competition heats up. Have you ever been curious about the financial figures behind Tesla, one of the most talked about businesses in our day and age? One statistic has been particularly noticeable over time: Tesla's income. This number has been skyrocketing rather than merely growing. Their performance for the last 12 months demonstrates exponential growth. A 95% rise, not far behind Tesla, which delivered more than 466,000 vehicles in Q2, an 86% increase. The competition has begun. Next is the price-to-earnings ratio, which is now at a very high 54. While some contend it's excessive, others think it makes sense for a tech-focused business like Tesla. Whichever way you lean, this figure is essential to comprehending how the market assesses each and every dollar of Tesla's profits. Tesla's performance indicators reflect the company's aspirational and innovative journey. Who knows where Tesla will drive next? Given that the electric revolution is only expected to get stronger, it will be an exciting ride though, that much is certain. Give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more in-depth looks into the world of business and money if you found this explanation to be insightful. It makes sense to ask, after carefully examining Tesla's performance measures, how the company compares to its competitors in the race for $1 trillion in market capitalization. Tesla is friends with some of the most well-known people in the world. Apple leads the pack with a market capitalization of $2.78 trillion, followed closely by Microsoft at $2.44 trillion. With its peak value of $1.24 trillion and its current market value of $842 billion, Tesla's trajectory is quite remarkable. However, how does it compare to its contemporaries? Even though Tesla's revenue is growing at a strong rate, how does it compare to its competitors in the auto industry? For example, Toyota's income is more than 3 times that of Tesla, yet its valuation is only a small portion of Tesla's. Even with almost double the sales, domestic behemoths like Ford and GM are valued much less. What causes this paradox to exist? Following a thorough analysis, we found that Tesla's profit margin had dropped from 16% to 13.3%. But how does this change compare in the grand arena? Because of their deeply ingrained manufacturing processes, legacy automakers use distinct measures. The crucial query is whether Tesla can continue to lead or if it will eventually catch up to more established automakers. EPS is a reliable gauge of a business's profitability. When comparing Tesla's earnings per share, EPS, to those of its competitors, a clearer picture becomes apparent. Is Tesla more competitive because of its tech-driven strategy, or are traditional manufacturers still a strong contender? When taken as a standalone story, Tesla's electric path is one of invention and upheaval. However, it is a player among giants in the huge automotive environment, each with its own strengths and storylines. As we come to the end of our comparative examination, keep in mind that in the quickly changing world of electric vehicles, knowing the terrain is just as important as the voyage. Even while putting Tesla in the context of its peers is instructive, it's important to comprehend the dynamics driving its advancement and the challenges it faces. Now that we have moved past the comparative study, let's examine the main motivations and difficulties that Tesla is currently facing. Tesla is more than just a car company. It is a representation of the future. A number of undercurrents support its ascent. There is a major shift going on in the planet. Conscientious consumers are increasingly choosing electric automobiles as the demand for sustainable solutions grows. Tesla is ideally positioned to ride this green tsunami, thanks to its famous brand appeal and usher in a time when electric means more than simply power. It represents advancement. In a world that is changing quickly, stagnation means obsolescence. Because of its unwavering dedication to innovation and unmatched skill at incorporating cutting-edge technology, every Tesla model is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. Tesla sees a clean, green, and sustainable future that extends beyond the realm of automobiles. A brighter, greener future is promised by Tesla's aspirations, which reshape power storage and revolutionize energy use with solar solutions. However, no matter how magnificent, every adventure has its share of difficulties. These aren't just challenges for Tesla, they're actually hidden opportunities. In the brutal world of the car industry, every day is battle. After decades of tradition, legacy automakers are hearing the electric call. The battleground gets more heated as they change course and intensify their lineups, with Tesla not just protecting its existing territory but also claiming new ones. Innovation has a price, and Tesla continually balances maintaining strong profit margins with providing competitive pricing in its effort to be unmatched. Every price reduction broadens the company's clientele but also puts strain on its finances. In a world where everything is connected more than ever, local disruptions have an international impact. The unpredictable nature of supply chains regularly puts Tesla's global vision to the test, from the complex dance of semiconductor supplies to the ups and downs of logistics. Dynamic drivers propel Tesla's path, but it also encounters a number of obstacles that put its resolve to the test. There will be some speed bumps mixed in with the interesting road ahead, But that's what makes this trip worthwhile to follow, analyze, and talk about. As we continue to explore the complex world of electric mobility, stay tuned. And let's continue the conversation if today's in-depth analysis provoked some further ideas. Talk, interact, and share. What is ahead for a business that is committed to pushing limits in addition to producing cars? What exciting new journeys are ahead? Imagine a society in which all homes are powered by the sun and all vehicles run on pure electricity. Not merely a concept, but a blueprint that Tesla is assiduously drafting. The organization is constantly working to envision a time where innovation is the standard, rather than simply sitting back and enjoying its success. For Elon Musk, the sky has never been the limit. There's a lot of talk these days about possible overlaps between SpaceX's aspirations for space exploration and Tesla's electric goals, as SpaceX is revolutionizing space travel. Is it possible that Mars has Tesla charging stations? Time will tell. Beyond automobiles, Tesla has a well-documented history of experimenting with solar and power storage systems. However, the business is well-positioned to broaden its horizons and maybe delve further into the field of renewable energy, providing solutions that have the potential to completely transform how homes and communities use electricity. The digital frontier is huge and mostly unexplored in a world where everything is becoming increasingly connected. There's a tangible buzz over Tesla's possible forays into augmented reality, deep learning, and other fields as a result of its acquisitions of AI and machine learning startups. Why confine yourself to personal automobiles? There are rumors that Tesla is looking into ways to improve public transport, rethinking buses and trains, and adding its distinctive mix of elegance and innovation. Beyond its goods, Tesla's magic is found in its vision, which is inspired by the possibilities of the future, rather than being limited by the limitations of the present. With so many promising endeavors ahead of it, Tesla has a bright future ahead of it. In today's video, we explored Tesla's remarkable performance indicators, conducted a competitive analysis versus industry titans, explored the motivations behind and difficulties facing this electric titan, and cast our eyes towards the company's exciting future endeavors. However, the concerns remain. Will Tesla's forays into renewable energy earn the same notoriety as its vehicles? Above all, as enthusiasts and investors, where do we envision ourselves along Tesla's thrilling journey? Tell us your responses in the space provided for comments below. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News and like this video. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you soon.